National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 3:30 p.m. At 2:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater, located over Back River, moving east at 10 knots. Locations impacted include Phoenix Shoal, Miller Island, Pools Island, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Tallchester Beach, Gunpowder River and Middle River. Mariners can expect gusty winds, highways, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. This is a statement from the National Weather